So I accidentally found a old school radio inside of a alarm clock and this is at my grandma's house, which means this is a old radio. So here's the thing. We can see it's good. It has this right here. It's linked up with the time that I'm recording this, kind of. You have patience to get this thing right, but I'm too lazy to do that. And it's at AM. Great. But we can see right here, I could turn this on and there's I don't think you can see it that well, but we have AM and FM. So maybe not old, but it's still pretty old. There's the tuning, so you can tune in with different areas. And I'm not sure the difference between FM and AM, but I think FM just gives you songs. AM is just like radio shows like Jude and Beck in the morning or something like that. And then we have the volume knob, which I'm actually looking at this way down. It was so loud when I discovered this. So when we turn this on,
watch that and say, well, it's 2:30 on a Tuesday. Pretty sure the markets are open. Can I ask you a question, Dave? Who's watching your current clients' money?
Well,
yeah.
straightening the tie.
Keep in mind, my grandma didn't actually know anything about this. And I discovered it. I think I might be a discoverer or something like that. But still, pretty crazy.